Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Thaisn here. Today I'm here with Easy Graphic Design class 6. So here I'm going to make animated Lego. Let's get into our class fast. So I'm just going to click on Google Chrome. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, share it with your friends and relatives if you really feel it's worth. So here I'm going to just type here render forest, R-E-N-D-E-R, render forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest.com. So this is how the, what is it called actually, render forest page will look like. If you want to just sign up here, you can sign up by giving your email ID. So already I have signed in, so it shows me Thaisn Begum here. And here I'm going to see, here you can see make logo, create video. I'm going to just make my logo animated, so I'm just going to click on make logo. Here you can see in the top layer create now. Just click on create now. Then it's ask you this company name, spread info I'm going to give, and it is asking me the tagline. I'm going to just type here learn, explore and grow high. So yes, I am done. Now I'm not going to give any description over here. I'm just going to click on next. So here it gives you actually few free templates, actually whichever you like. You can choose any one or more. So here you can see choose pick one or more. So I'll just choose this one, gradient, and I'll click on next. Now this is how it will actually look. So if you want to change it like this or like this, you can choose any one. I'm going to choose this one, very simple, and here few more samples are available. Whichever you want, you can choose it. I'm just going to click on edit and download. So it will take me to the edit section so that I can edit whatever I want. So here the point comes to text. Here in the text you can just try to have the letter spacing, you can see. So letter spacing you can adjust, and whichever font you want, you can just select that font. So I'll just little more, I'll have a what is this called, space between the letter tagline. So tagline letter spacing how you want it to be. So I'll just make it a little more cool, a little more small so that it looks good. So just let me select like this, and all I'll do is let me make it a little more smaller. Yes, I'll fix this here. Now the point comes to this one. If you want to change it to the other icon, you just click on icons. Here it is ask you actually which type of icon you want. I'll just click on gradient. In gradient you will have n number of icons. Actually if you want to choose any one, you can choose it from here. So let me choose any one for you fast, and so I'll choose this one. So now it has got changed. Now I'll reduce the size of this. So yes, now here is something called adjust. So it will ask you which type format you want. I'll just choose any one format from here. So which one is the best, you can just make it out. So I feel this one is the best one. I'll make a little more smaller so that it looks perfect. Yes, and then so now I've made this small actually and made few adjustment over here. Now the point comes to color here. So I'll just click on color. Here you can see text, tagline and icon. So for the text color, so whichever you want to choose, you can choose. So let me choose this text and choose some reddish like color. So here you can see, so I have changed this, and whichever color you feel it's good for you, and you can use it. And next the point comes to tagline. So let me choose any one more color for the tagline. Some darker color I'll choose for this. Yes, I am done. And next the point comes to icon. So let me choose any one color for icon. So yes, now I am done. Okay, finally. So now I'm done with the spread info, learn, explore and grow high somehow. So if you want to actually change your adjust and actually color icon, all you can do it. Now I'm going to just click on download here. So So here you can see free plan, basic plan, vector logo, premium logo, all are here available actually. But here low quality PNG format will be provided for you, and non-profit usage. So for commercial usage, high quality if you want, you have to actually for $4.99 you have to pay and you have to continue. For vector logo, this is the price and all that. So I'm just going to click on download. So now here the interesting point comes here is actually it is asking me to animate. If you want, actually you can just animate that. So I'm just going to click on animate, and here different types of animation is here. If you just scroll the cursor on the top, actually it will show you how really it's going to be. So this is how it's going to be. So let me just select any one for you. I'll just select this one, so that let it gets apply. So I will just select, I have selected one animation from here. So whichever you like, you can select it. So it is showing you the preview how really it will work. So I'll just click on here, animate now. Here the point comes to edit. If you want to edit something over here, you can actually change whatever you want. If you want to upload from your computer, you can just upload your icon from your computer, from media library, image URL, or else actually you can create a logo by clicking over here. The same procedure will be followed for creating. So I will just select the spread info, the same one which I have actually created now. Then the point comes to style. So which style you want it to be, like here a few styles are actually given over here. You can just select any one. I'll just select the first one. So that was the actually one which I liked it. Then the point comes to music. So n number of music list is given over here. Whichever you want, you can just by clicking this plus button you can add to it. So for here logo, the inspire, I'll just choose this one as music. So here you can see you can also play, and here so this is how it will be. So then the point comes to preview. So let's have a look on preview, free preview it shows. So here it shows the video quality, all that, and which one you want. If you want a free with watermark, it will get exported. So all I will do is just I'll click on download. So let's see really how this looks like. So here is the one. So let me just play and show you. So this is how it's going to be. So hope you all would have enjoyed the session, and if you really like this video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to share with your friends and relatives, share, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. And in the below description box, I have a few links for you actually where you can learn few more easy graphic design tips actually. So go and learn, explore, and grow high. Take care. Bye bye.